Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're scratching your head over the F6 E4 error code on your Whirlpool dishwasher, you're not alone. This pesky error can halt your appliance in its tracks, but don't worry. I'm here to break it down for you step by step. We'll cover what it means, why it happens, and how to fix it, so you can get back to clean dishes in no time. First things first, let's decode the F6 E4 error. According to Whirlpool, this code typically signals a problem with the water inlet system or the float switch, which is responsible for detecting water levels in the dishwasher. Essentially, your machine is telling you it can't properly sense or receive water, which might leave you with a tub that's not filling up as it should. Now, what causes this error? The most common culprits include a clogged inlet screen or filter, which can build up with mineral deposits or food particles over time. Another possibility is a kinked, blocked, or frozen water supply line preventing proper flow. Sometimes, it's as simple as a faulty float switch that's stuck or malfunctioning due to wear and tear. Alright, let's get to the solutions. Start by ensuring your dishwasher is unplugged and the water supply is turned off for safety. Check the inlet screen, usually located where the water line connects, and clean out any debris with a soft brush or cloth. Next, inspect the water supply line for any bends or blockages, and straighten it if needed. Once that's done, plug your dishwasher back in and run a short test cycle to see if the error clears. If the F6 E4 code persists, you may need to examine the float switch inside the dishwasher tub. Gently clean it or ensure it's moving freely. If you're not comfortable with this step or the problem continues, it's best to call a certified technician to avoid any risk of damage. In wrapping up, fixing the F6 E4 error is often straightforward with a bit of troubleshooting, but always prioritize your safety. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more handy home repair tips. See you next time.